welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for October 1st, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:47 a.m. Central Daylight Time followed by sunset at 6:33 p.m. October opens with 11 hours, 46 minutes of daylight. Daytime's light loses 82 minutes during the month, approximately 2 to 3 minutes each day. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, Saturn is a challenging view in the west-southwest when Venus rises over 3½ hours before sunrise. Fainter than Venus and Jupiter, the ringed wonder is dimmed and blurred by the thicker atmosphere near the horizon. This effect is easily seen when the Sun and Moon are near the horizon. A binocular is needed to see Saturn at this hour. On the 10th, Venus and Saturn are 180 degrees apart in the sky, a planet-to-planet opposition. After this date, Saturn sets before Venus rises. Saturn reappears in the morning sky during early 2024 and Venus passes by during April. 1 hour before daybreak, the bright moon, 95% illuminated, is less than halfway up in the west-southwest and 9.7 degrees to the lower right of bright Jupiter. The moon's large eastward step since yesterday narrowed the gap to the Jovian giant. Jupiter is retrograding in front of Aries, 13.0 degrees to the left of Hammel, the constellation's brightest stars. Without a binocular, the dimmer stars that are frequently referenced in these daily forecasts are obliterated to the unassisted eye by the bright moonlight. Venus and Mercury are farther eastward. At 45 minutes before daybreak, brilliant Venus is over 30 degrees above the east-southeast horizon, 7.1 degrees to the upper right of Regulus, the brightest star in Leo. The morning star passes Regulus October 9th. Tomorrow morning, Venus passes Omicron Leonis. With this moonlight, find the dimmer star with a binocular. Mercury retreats into brighter twilight, after its best morning appearance of the year. The planet is bright, but less than 5 degrees up in the east. The atmospheric effects that dim Saturn are at work with Mercury, but the planet is bright enough to shine through the atmospheric influences. In the evening sky, Mars is not visible as it sets about 35 minutes after sunset. The observer's handbook simply states, "Too close to the Sun to be seen." Saturn rises before sunset and it is over 20 degrees up in the southeast at 1 hour after sundown. The planet is retrograding in front of Aquarius, 10.1 degrees to the upper right of Skate, meaning the leg, and 10.6 degrees to the right of Lambda Aquarii. About 4 hours after sunset, Saturn is in the southern sky and in the west-southwest when Venus rises in the morning. Jupiter rises 2 hours after sundown. An hour later, the bright planet is over 15 degrees up in the east, 2.6 degrees to the lower right of the gibbous moon, 90% illuminated. As the calendar day ends, Jupiter and the lunar orb are in the southeast. By tomorrow morning they appear in the southwestern sky. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.